Students, today our topic is conditional clauses. Now, before discussing what conditional clauses are, let us recall a few points. Now, number first, we know this sentences are composed of clauses. Sentences, they are composed of clauses. Or we can say a clause is the building block of a sentence. And a sentence must include at least one main clause. So a sentence must include at least one main clause. And a clause consists of two parts. Number first is a subject and a predicate. So a clause has two parts, a subject and a predicate. A subject is a noun phrase or its equivalent. And predicate, it is verb phrase and other accompanying elements like object, complement, etc. And the clause, it centers around a verb phrase. Now I will write here an example. For example, I went to speak to them. Now this whole sentence, this is one main clause. Here we have subject and we have predicate. And these main clauses, they are not dependent on any other clause in a sentence. Now, if I will write here, which arrived yesterday. Now, here is a group of words. This is a clause, but this is not a sentence. This is subordinate clause or dependent clause. Now we need here a main clause to form a sentence. Now this is the basic information regarding the clause. Now let us discuss what these conditional clauses are. These conditional clauses, they are a type of adverbial clause. So, number first is conditional clauses, they are a type of adverbial clause. And conditional clauses, they are most typically introduced by the subordinating conjunction. So, they are introduced by the subordinating conjunction. So conditional clauses, they are most typically introduced by a subordinating conjunction, that is if. In fact, these conditional clauses, they are also called as if clauses. So conditional clauses are also called as if clauses. An if clause, it refers to a condition. That means something must happen so that something else can happen. So if clauses, it refers to a condition. That means something must happen. Something must happen so that something else can happen. So conditional clauses, they are also called as if clauses. And conditional clauses, here we have the condition, that means something must happen so that something else can happen. Now for example, if it rains, we will get wet. Now here it has two parts. In the first part there is the condition, if it rains. This is the condition. We will get wet. This is the main clause or result clause. So if this condition gets fulfilled, only then we will get wet. So this is the condition, and the number second clause, that is called as result clause or main clause. So here we have the condition and we have the result clause or main clause. We can also write like this. It does not make any difference. We will get wet if it rains. It does not make any difference. And clauses used like this, as I have written here, they are called as conditional clauses. So what we learned here, in conditional clauses, on one side there is the conditional clause, there is the condition, and on the other side there must be the result clause or main clause. So clauses used like this, they are called as conditional clauses. We can use other conjunctions as well in conditional clauses. Like we can also use, mostly we use if in order to make these conditional clauses, but we can use other conjunctions as well in conditional clause. Like we can use unless, means if not. We can also use provided that, in case, etc. For example, he will fail unless he studies harder. So we can use other conjunctions as well in conditional clauses. Now there are four main types of conditional clauses. We have to learn their structure and we can apply accordingly. We can recognize the different clauses if we know their structure. So there are four main types of conditional clauses. Number first is called as present condition. So number first is called as present condition. It is also called as zero conditional, or we can say zero conditional. Number second is called as the will condition. The will condition. It is also called as first conditional. First conditional. And number third is called as would condition. The would condition. It is also called as second conditional. And last is number fourth. The would have condition. Or it is also called as third conditional. So these are the four main types of conditional clauses. Now we can say that sentences are composed of clauses, and a sentence must include at least one main clause. And the main clause, they are not dependent on any other clause. And a clause consists of two parts. One is subject and another is predicate. Then conditional clauses, they are mostly introduced by the subordinating conjunction, that is if, and they are also called as if clauses. And we can use other conjunctions as well in conditional clauses. And these are the four main types of conditional clauses. Now in the next video, we shall discuss these, we shall take up these conditional clauses one by one and see their structure and what they describe.